into here. No, that's different circuit. Sometimes, yeah, this is common from the motor. It's gonna wire into the common on here.
What color is that?
I should have done that first.
Oh,
That's inside the box.
because it's hard to get to.
Yeah. Basically, undo that again. Wire's still on there pretty good. I'll just go ahead and add that to the wire nut.
Oh. So now there's 3.
Yep, now there's 3 on that one wire. Give it a tug. And that's not going anywhere.
Oops. I think bring the temperature down. I didn't realize I had it on 82.
Oh.
It's a little warm.
So that's where it went.
Oh, Jesus.
Oh no, it actually goes through on here. I was wrong.
Oh. See,
Yeah,
that's how you learn, you know? I mean,
Need to get this fan on. It's Friday, near the end of shift. That's what happens.
yeah. Oh yeah, I heard you were busy today.
Yeah. I work 3 jobs.
What?
Yeah, this is
Oh.
one of them.
And you take care of 7 cats.
Yep. Should be here. White on white.
I'll just go over here. That feels better. Much better.
I do a lot of this for side work too. I work for the fix and then I work on the base.
Oh, wow.
Busy.
Busy. So you work for a contractor that's for the base, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. They like you.
Yep.
Yeah.
I'm one of the groundskeepers up there.
Oh.
And then we got the ground from the down road. Give my arm a little bit of break.
Sure, yeah.
And
Do you want to